We're going to show you how to make music like this in Suno.
Wake up in the morning, all I see is green.
First, we need to go to Suno's website. You can do this by typing Suno AI into Google. Click on the first link. On their site, they have various songs generated by the AI. Click Make a Song. Then press Create. Now you'll need to sign up using your Discord, Gmail, or Microsoft account. I will be using Gmail. Now that you're signed in, you can begin by prompting the AI with a short description of your song. I'm going to ask it to generate a rap song about counting money. Then press Enter or the Create button to generate your song. Our songs have been generated. Press the play button to listen to them.
I'm counting up the bands and I'm counting up the stacks. Got my hands on the money, here, no kind of relax. I wake up in the morning, all I see is green. Carrying out the cash, no one need. Yeah, hustling all day, every day, now stacking up the money, showing.
I liked the second one a lot more. So I'll press the three dots and click Continue from Clip. This will allow me to customize the song. Then click on the song to view the lyrics. Highlight all the lyrics and the title and copy it. Then click on the lyrics box and paste it in. Paste the style of music into its box. And paste the song title into its box. Finally, at the top of the lyrics box, we're going to type. Continue the below song by adding a new verse, but keep the chorus the same. Maintain the theme and vibe of the song. This will allow us to generate another verse for the song. Then, press the Generate Lyrics button. As you can see, another verse has been generated. Now press Continue to generate the new version of the song. Press the play button to listen to them.
I wake up in the morning, all I see is green. Carrying out the cash, no one need. Hustling. I wake up in the morning, all I see is green. Counting out the cash, no one need. Yeah.
I prefer the first one. So I'll press the three dots and click Continue from Clip. Now we'll add an outro by typing outro in the lyrics box, followed by our outro lyrics. Now press Continue to generate the new version of the song.
I gotta count my money.
That one wasn't very good. However, it is the better of the two, so we'll choose this one. The last step is to click on the three dots and press Get Whole Song. The final song has been generated. Simply press play on it.
I wake up in the morning.
We can then press the three dots again to download the song either as an audio file or a lyric video. I will choose audio file. As you can see, it has downloaded.
I wake up in the morning, all I see is green.
Click on Create. Then enable Custom Mode. To generate an instrumental song, leave the lyric box blank. Then type your desired style of music. Then add a title. Press Create. Very nice. As you can see, I've run out of credits. You can get more credits by upgrading your plan. There are 3 tiers: Basic Plan, Pro Plan, and Premier Plan. Basic includes 50 credits per day, no commercial use, no credit top-ups, shared generation queue, 2 jobs at once. The Pro Plan has 2,500 credits per month. And the Premier Plan has 10,000 credits per month. Can also choose between monthly and annual billing. Make sure to like and comment.